Hello and welcome to the summer trip 2018, where we will go through Sweden, Lithuania, Belarus, Ukraine, where we go to Chernobyl and check out if everything is okay there, Moldova, Bulgaria, and then we see former Yugoslavia countries, maybe a little bit Italy, Switzerland, Austria, Germany, and back to Norway. Today we're just gonna drive to South Sweden, but before we do that I go and change my back tire, and then I actually meet up with my friend from South Sweden, since he's buying a new bike today, or picking up a new bike today, close to Göteborg, where I do my bike change. And then we drive to his place and have some brews before I head to Stockholm, where I meet up with some of the other guys and take the ferry to Lithuania. So that's it. Enjoy the intro. A little bit more info about the trip itself. We should be totally 5 people, which take like a big part of the trip together. Like I said, I start out today, and then tomorrow I meet hopefully 3 others at the ferry. The reason why I say hopefully is because the guy on the Ducati figured yesterday out that his Ducati gives a strange noise, so we all were quite sure that the Ducati will break down just because it's a Ducati, but nobody guessed that it will break down before the trip even starts. So that means that Ducati guy went now at 6 o'clock in the morning to Kawasaki guy and hopes that he can fix the problem. And if he can join us then to the ferry, there will be 4 people on the ferry, and then in Vilnius we would meet the 5th guy, because he's joining us there from Finland. And from there we should be then together all the way down to Romania, and from there we all split then up a little bit again. One takes Autozug from Vienna to Hamburg, and I may go home to my parents in Austria, and the other 3 may go a little bit further south from there before they turn around and go north over Poland and those countries. But we are 4,000 kilometers away from Romania. I'm sure those plans will completely change, because something always happens. And this is how Sweden welcomes me. Sunshine, lake, new asphalt. And no traffic. Thank you, Sweden. Yeah, so now I come from the side roads and join the main highway and look at this shit. Traffic jam. Time to find out how wide my luggage is. Seems like there will be a lot of filtering. Doesn't look so bad now. It's actually the traffic jam is because that one car over there. Lucky me. Nothing's making me forget you. Oh no. Hell yeah. So a little update from the trip so far. Got the new tire and I have the old one actually mounted on the back. Gonna leave it in Skåne and pick it up one day. But I somehow managed to lose my DB killer. I guess I didn't screw it really tight. So then now I have to find one, unless I want to get raped by the Belarus custom service. I don't want to do that. So first gonna meet up my friend in Fritzlar and then try to find the DB killer.
I'm gonna bring it all to you, all to you. 'Cause I only have eyes for you. And now that it's time to choose, I know I'm gonna give it all to you, to you, to you. 'Cause I only have eyes for you. I only have eyes for you.
So now just 1 hour left and then it's barbecue and beer time.